Hey everyone, this is Dawn. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to share with you the Comfort and Joy card making workshop that I created as a gift when you sign up to be one of my VIPs. So what you will receive when you sign up, I will send you this workshop, which is a cut diagram for 64 cards using the Comfort and Joy paper collection, and you'll be able to make 8 different card designs. So I'm going to share the cards that you'll be able to make, and then in addition to the cut diagrams that I will send you 3 pre-cut and pre-stamped card kits, and all you need to do is add adhesive. So it'll be a variety of a selection of these cards that you'll receive along with your workshop when you sign up. Okay, so this is card 1, and I did a video earlier on how to make this card. So you'll get, you might receive this as one of the cards that you'll get in your gift. It has the Scarlet glitter paper and the Evergreen glitter paper. Oops. And everything is pre-stamped and pre-embossed and ready to go for you to assemble. Okay, so that's the first card. This is the next card, and it's been embossed in white embossing powder, and I've used some of the liquid pearls, and everything is pre-cut and ready to go. So this is one version, and this is another version. And this one, I've embossed it. And this is the next card. And then this is another card. So you get all of the supplies, the gold embroidery thread and the white, either the white or the black dots, and everything that you'll need to make the card. And this is the next card. And this is the other version of that same design. And it'll be pre-embossed there, ready to go. And then this is another one. And it's embossed in gold embossing powder, and liquid pearls are there, and they're this one I like. It's embossed in gold. It's a gold glitter embossing powder, and then you layer it with the other colors of cardstock. And then there's some of the bitty gems in the center there. And this one, it's gold embossed on black. And these are going to be all cut out and ready to go for you. And here's the last. And here's the last one. Okay. All right, so once again, if you go to my website and sign up to be one of my VIPs, then I will send you a kit with 3 of these, a selection of 3 of these cards in it that are pre-stamped, pre-cut, ready to go. And then you'll also receive the cut diagrams. And then once you sign up, something that you can do with the $25 credit that you'll get when you sign up is purchase the supplies to make these cards. And they'll be available until the end of October, so it's getting pretty close. But you'll need 2 packs of Comfort and Joy papers and Comfort and Joy coordinating cardstock, and then the stamp sets are Comfort and Joy card making stamps and thin cuts, and Comfort and Joy scrapbooking stamps and thin cuts. Okay, and the others are basics that are in the core catalog. Okay, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, and have a great day. Thanks.